Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I am back with day 16. We're almost done. So, let's find day 16. Okay, here is day 16. It is a beautiful green heart. Love that plaid. Look at that. So, let's check out day 16. Alright, let's get it. Get it out. Alright. Oh, that's cool. Ah, it's another rainbow. Look at the green rainbow. I loves it. I loves it. I loves it. These are so cool. And like I missed showing you for the past couple days, it is an opening stitch marker for crocheting or for knitting. Perfect for both. I love that about these, because I do both crafts, so I am bi-stitchable. Alright, now as usual I'm going to show them all over again, all the different ones. There's all different ones. This is the big advent, and all the different ones. Alright, these are fantastic. We have one day to go, so stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.